What's going on, guys? A little quick update on the Cotuit project. So Malik and I had to cut shingles off, cut a whole bottom row of shingles off. Got our drip cap up in there. Gonna put a Azek freeze board just because we need the patio to come up a little bit, and we'd rather have Azek there. So we took the time, did that. We got all our drip cap up in, pain in the butt. Spot over there, spot over there. The leaks on the last little bit over here to get the drip cap in. And this is what we've been doing all day. 2 pieces of Azek and a third here, shorty. So we'll get that in, and then tomorrow, Saturday, start laying some Nantucket pavers in cement. I'm all prepped. So, Mason's playing Carpenters today.